What is this? This is a point on a paper. And this point, who named it as a point? He was Euclid. Euclid was a great mathematician and he was from Greek. Euclid named it as a point. And what happened when we draw a line from this point and we mark a arrow in front of it? Then what we say, is this a line? No, this is not a line. This is not a line. This is a ray. So what is ray? So what is ray? From a point, we draw a line which has no end. This arrow sign indicates that this line has no end. It is 4 centimeter, either 5 centimeter, either 6, 7 and so on. We have no knowledge where it ends. So we can say this is a ray. Whenever we mark a dot on a paper, that is called a point. And whenever we mark a line, in front of it we draw a arrow sign, that is called ray. Whenever we mark a arrow sign, that is a ray. Now, what is line? Suppose I take 2 points on this paper. What happened when I join these 2 points? So when I join these 2 points, so now I name it as A, B. Now I got my line or line segment. Can I call it as a line or it is called as a line segment? No, I call it as a line segment because there is a line between 2 points. And what are these points? A, B, and I mark it as AB line. So this is called a line segment. Don't call it as a line because it's not a line. This is a line segment. So now we talk about line. When I join 2 points A and B and I mark arrow in its both ends, then I say this is a line because a line has no end. I can extend this line towards this side. I can extend this line towards this side. It has no end. So I call it as line. But I call AB where it has 2 end points and it has a particular measurements. Either it is 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. And that is called line segment. उसे आप line मत कहे, don't call it as a line. So line, it has never 2 ends. ये क्या है? ये extend हो सकती है from A point to B point. So I hope you all understand what is line, what is line segments, what is a ray, and what is a point. A ray. Let us talk about ray. Ray starts from a point and it has only a single point. Ray has only a single point, only its starting point, and it has no end. For example, we talk about sun rays. They reach to our earth. They come from vacuum, come from space, and they travel endless distance towards our earth, and they also spread in whole universe. So a ray has unlimited endpoint, but it has one starting point. So हम इसे क्या कहेंगे? What we call it as a ray. Now we talk about angle. What are angle? Whenever two rays, let us take a point has great impact. Let us take a point. And whenever I join two rays to this point, suppose this is my ray and this is my another. Whenever two rays they meet at a point, that is called angle. Their joining point is called angle. Name it as A and B and C and whatever you want. So these two rays, AB and AC, we call AB as arm of one angle and AC as arm of second arm of this angle. And this point A is called the vertex. This point A is called the vertex. And what happened? There is an angle. I see an angle between 2 and 11. So clock has, in two hands of clock, you see there is a angle. Two arms of clock, they make a angle. Similarly, in our book, we see its two edges, it's from its center, there is a angle. And a scissor, we also see there is an angle between two its arms. And also between two its handles, there is also a angle. So what is angle? Whenever two arms, or we can say whenever two rays they join together, they form angles. And there are angles several. So in this way we understand Euclid's concept. What is point, what are ray, what are lines, and what is line segment. Now we understand what are angles and how they form. So in our further videos we study about the types of the angles. So तब तक पढ़ते रहें, सीखते रहें, वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें to know types of angles. जय हिंद.